Xbox.
Hey guys, this is Roscoe with Parts People. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the LCD display assembly on an Inspiron 175748. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this 5% discount coupon. Slide the latches over and remove the battery. Remove the optical drive screw. Remove the optical drive. Remove the screws. Remove the access door. Remove the screw. Slide the hard drive over and lift it out. Unplug the antenna cables. Remove the palmrest screws. Turn the laptop over and open it up. Using a flat head screwdriver, carefully push the keyboard locking tabs in to loosen the keyboard. Carefully turn the keyboard over and unplug the keyboard cable. Remove the screws. Unplug the palmrest cables. Remove the palmrest. Unplug and loosen the cable. Loosen the antenna cables. Remove the left hinge screws. Remove the right hinge screws. Remove the display assembly. Are you looking for some more tutorials? Check out these other videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out partspeople.com where we have hundreds of tutorials and hundreds of thousands of parts. Thank you for using Parts People for your video tutorials.